Charity law specialists versus commercial lawyers, which one is better for non-profit compliance? Most people get this wrong, assuming that any lawyer can handle non-profit compliance. The surprising truth is that charity law is highly specialized, and missing the nuances can lead to serious legal issues. Charity law specialists focus exclusively on non-profit organizations. They ensure compliance with charity regulations, manage tax exemptions, and advise on governance structures. For example, if a non-profit is fundraising internationally, charity lawyers ensure that donations meet local legal requirements and that reporting obligations are met. They also guide on trustee duties, grant agreements, and regulatory filings, helping non-profits avoid fines or revocation of their charitable status. Commercial lawyers, on the other hand, are generalists in business law. They handle contracts, corporate governance, and commercial disputes. While they can offer valuable advice on agreements or partnerships, they may not fully understand the unique regulatory obligations of charities or the specific tax implications for non-profit operations. The key difference is regulatory expertise versus general business knowledge. Charity law specialists navigate the complex web of charity commissions, tax authorities, and fundraising rules, while commercial lawyers provide broader legal support. For non-profits, compliance failures can result in fines, reputational damage, or loss of tax benefits, making specialized guidance essential. The takeaway is clear: for non-profits, charity law specialists are usually the better choice for ensuring compliance and long-term sustainability. Commercial lawyers can complement this by assisting with contracts and operational legal matters, but relying solely on general legal counsel can leave gaps in critical areas. The surprising truth is that investing in specialized charity legal support not only safeguards the organization, but also allows leaders to focus on mission-driven work with confidence.